guys, today I've got a super simple recipe, but one I think that'll help a lot of you. Now, I use date paste in my breakfast peanut butter that I make every morning when I have that with my celery. Now, you can go and get that from the store, but I want to show you how super easy it is to go buy whole dates, which can be a lot cheaper depending on the date paste you're getting, and make that into your own date paste. And maybe you just have some dates laying around. So all we're going to need is a food processor. Again, we're using the Ninja Auto IQ with the food processor blender. And you can use any food processor, it'll work. I'm using around 1.5 cups of dates. It doesn't, you can use a cup, you can use 2 cups. It doesn't really matter because we're not adding any other ingredients. And all we're gonna do is get that in the food processor, and I'm gonna let that go until it starts to look like a nice thick consistency. We're gonna start low. You can see how it came together there, and that's when I know it is done. Now that took a little bit longer, that was about 1 minute, but I am using Tunisian dates, which are a little bit drier. But as you can see, it comes out just like this. Now we like to store it in a refrigerator tight glass dish. So I'm just gonna take that off there, a little bit more in there, and voila, we have a nice and easy date paste. Now I just use that, like I said, with any recipe that calls for date paste, but I majorly use it for my breakfast peanut butter. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more awesome plant-based videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we will see you later.